Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode on some applications of trigonometry, we will see few more questions. This is the part 3. Previously we have uploaded 2 parts and the links of the 2 parts are provided in the description box. I request you to go through that 2 parts also so that you will practice more questions. Now let us see the first question of this episode. So friends, here is the first question on the screen. A statue 1.46 meter tall stand on the top of a pedestal. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree. From the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. It is given that root 3 is equal to 1.73. Friends, it is said that a statue 1.46 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. BC is a pedestal and on the top of the pedestal AB is a statue whose height is given as 1.46 meter. And it is said that from a point on the ground in a line with the foot of the pedestal, that is point C, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue, that is point A, is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of a statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal or the bottom of the statue, both are the one and the same thing. Top of the pedestal or the bottom of the statue, both are the same things, and that angle of elevation from the same point D is 45 degrees, and you have to find the height of the pedestal. So first we will assume let the height of the pedestal be x. So write height of the pedestal is equal to x. I am not writing, but you have to write in the examination. So here, so height of the pedestal is x, and now we will take the triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, tan 45, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent side. So tan of 45, that is equal to opposite, that is x, upon adjacent side, that is DC. And friends, here tan 45, its value is 1, so which is equal to x upon DC, and therefore multiply by DC to 1, so it will be DC is equal to x. Let this be number 1. Here the DC length we have got as x. Of course it will be x, because when this angle is 45 and this angle is 90 degree, this angle will also be of the measure 45 degree. So these base angles are equal. In triangle BCD, the base angles are equal, then its opposite sides are also equal, that we have studied in the lower classes, and therefore if BC is x, this DC will also be x, but you have to solve with the trigonometry. Now here we will take another triangle. In the another triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, we have tan 60, tan of 60, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So tan 60, that is equal to opposite side will be AB plus BC. This total will be the opposite side, so it will be x plus 1.46, so which is equal to x plus 1.46 upon adjacent, and that adjacent will be opposite upon adjacent, that will be x. Now friends, the value of tan 60 is root 3. tan 60 is root 3, that is equal to x plus 1.46 upon x. Now take x to this side, so it will be x root 3, which is equal to x plus 1.46. Now take this x to the other side, and it will be x root 3 minus x, which is equal to 1.46. Now take out x as a common factor, so it will be x inside the bracket root 3 minus 1, which is equal to 1.46. Now I solve the remaining portion to this side, so it will be root 3 will be 1.73, so x into bracket 1.73 minus 1, which is equal to 1.46. So 1.73 minus 1, that will be 0.73, and if you take 0.73 to this side, it will go to the denominator, so x is equal to 1.46 upon 0.73. okay, then this is 0.73 multiplied by 2, that is 1.46, and so x will be equal to 2, and so the height of the pedestal, that is equal to 2 meter. That will be the answer. So friends, here we have got the height of the pedestal as 2 meter. That is only asked in the question. Now let us move to the another question. Now friends, the next question is on the screen. On a horizontal plane, there is a vertical tower with a flagpole on the top of the tower. At a point 9 meter away from the foot of the tower, the angles of elevation of the top and bottom of the flagpole are 60 degree and 30 degrees respectively. Find the heights of the tower and the flagpole mounted on it. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. Friends, here it is said that on a vertical plane, this is the plane BE, and on that vertical plane there is a vertical tower. AB is a tower with a flagstaff on the top of the tower, and on the top of the tower there is a flagstaff, that is AC is a flagstaff and AB is a tower. We are assuming that the height of the tower BH and the height of the flagstaff BH dash. Now at a point 9 meter away, from the foot of the tower, 9 meter away from the foot of the tower, from this point E, the angle of elevation of the top of the flagstaff is 60 degree and the top of the tower is 30 degree, and we have to find the height of the tower and the height of the flagstaff. So let us first take the two triangles, triangle EAB and triangle ECB. So first I have taken triangle ABE, this smaller triangle. So in triangle ABE, we have tan 30, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So tan 30, that is equal to opposite is what? H. Adjacent is 9 meter, so it will be H upon 9 meter. So tan 30, the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, which is equal to H upon 9, and therefore H is equal to, take 9 to other side, so it will be 9 by root 3. The value of H we are getting, that is the height of the tower, as 9 upon root 3. We solve this further because we have to find the height of tower, that is AB. So put the value of root, because the value of root 3 is given as 1.732. So here first we will rationalize this. So if you rationalize this, you will have to multiply the numerator by root 3 and the denominator by root 3. So this will be 9 root 3 upon root 3 into 3, it will be 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, that is equal to 3 root 3. So height is equal to 3 root 3. Put the value of root 3, so that will be equal to, you will get it as 5.196 meter. Put the value of root 3 as 1.732. So 1.732 multiplied by 3, that will be equal to 5.196 meter. Now friends, we will take the another triangle. That another triangle is triangle CBE. So in triangle CBE, here we are getting tan 60, that is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Here the opposite side is BC. BC, it means H plus H dash, and the adjacent side is 9 meter. So tan 60, that is equal to opposite, that is H plus H dash, H plus H dash upon adjacent, that is 9 meter. And so here friends, tan 60, the value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3, which is equal to H plus H dash upon 9. Take 9 to this side, so you will get H plus H dash, which is equal to 9 root 3. H plus H dash is equal to 9 root 3. Now here friends, put the value of H as 3 root 3. Don't put this value, because here already root 3 is there, and so it will be easier for the calculation. So H plus H dash, so put value of H as 3 root 3, which is equal plus H dash, which is equal to 9 root 3. So H dash is equal to 9 root 3. Take this 3 root 3 to this side, it will be minus 3 root 3. Now take out 3 root 3 as a common factor, so it will be 3 root 3. Inside the bracket, it will be 3 3s are 9, so 3 minus here it will be 1. So which is equal to 3 minus 1 will be 2, and 2 into 6, that will be 6 root 3. And therefore 6 root 3, that is 6 into 1.732, and multiplied by 1.732, that will be 10.392 meter. And so friends, here we have got the height of the tower as 5.196, height of the tower, that is equal to 5.196 meter, and the height of pedestal, that is equal to 10.392 meter. So here we have got the values of height of the tower as 5.196 meter and the height of the pedestal as 10.392 meter. So friends, here we have solved this question. Just see how to deal with the questions, learn it, and try to solve the different types of questions, because in the examination at least one question is asked, either for the 3 mark or the 4 mark. Sometimes 1 mark question is also asked. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any of the video. So friends, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.